Articles 415 and 416 of the new Civil Code provide the immovable and movable properties. Article 415. The following are immovable property. Number 1. Land, buildings, roads, and constructions of all kinds adhere to the soil. Number 2. Trees, plants, and growing fruits while they are attached to the land or form an integral part of an immovable. Number 3. Everything attached to an immovable in a fixed manner in such a way that it cannot be separated therefrom without breaking the material or deterioration of the object. Number 4. Statues, reliefs, paintings, or other objects for use or ornamentation placed in buildings or on lands by the owner of the immovable in such a manner that it reveals the intention to attach them permanently to the tenement. Number 5. Machinery, receptacles, instruments or implements intended by the owner of the tenement for an industry or works which may be carried on in a building or on a piece of land and which tend directly to meet the needs of said industry or work. Number 6. Animal houses, pigeon houses, beehives, fish ponds, and or breeding places of similar nature in case their owner has placed them or preserves them with the intention to have them permanently attached to the land and forming a permanent part of it. The animals in these places are included. Number 7. Fertilizer actually used on a piece of land. Number 8. Mines, quarries, and slag dumps while the matter thereof forms part of the bed and waters either running or stagnant. Number 9. Docks and structures which, though floating, is intended by their nature and objects to remain in a fixed place on a river, lake, or coast. And number 10. Contracts used for public works and servitude and real rights over immovable property. In Article 416, the following things are personal property. Number 1, those movables susceptible of appropriation which are not included in the preceding article. Number 2, real property which by special provision of law are considered as personality. Number 3, forces of nature which are brought under control by science. And number 4, in general, all things which may be transported from place to place without impairment of the real property to which they are fixed.